My dear friends, myself, Professor Dr. Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy channel. My dear friends, today we will discuss about the Spasma syrup. Spasma syrup. Spasma syrup promotes the respiratory health. It costs approximately 132 rupees for 200 ml. My dear friends, Spasma syrup helps to reduce the inflammation of respiratory tract, thereby helping in easy breathing. Spasma syrup helps to clear the airway by loosening the mucus. Spasma syrup helps to reduce the frequency, severity, and duration of asthmatic attacks. Spasma syrup improves the quality of life. Spasma syrup is a natural respiratory health support. Vasa exerts anti inflammatory activity and offers a potent anti allergic activity. Haridra has anti allergic and anti inflammatory property. Kantakari exerts bronchodilator activity which relieves the constriction of the airway to ease the flow of air while breathing. Kantakari has expectorant property to expel the cough very easily. My dear friends, this Spasma syrup contains Vasa, which is bronchodilator action and loosen the mucus to facilitate the easy breathing. Spasma syrup contains Haridra, which is anti-allergic, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory action, reduces the recurrent cough bouts. Spasma syrup contains Kantakari, which expels the mucus easily, mucolytic, and reduces the pain. Spasma syrup contains Kapura Katsari. It is having antimicrobial activity and also help to reduce the pain and inflammation associated with cough. This particular Spasma syrup you can take 10 ml, 2 teaspoon, 2 to 3 times daily. My dear friends, if you want to hear such interesting shots, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.